In today's video, I'm going to be having a look at the Hoover Freedom 3-in-1 cordless vacuum cleaner. I'm going to get it out of its box, put it together, show you in action, and let you know my thoughts. This is specifically the FD22L Pets edition of this vacuum cleaner. It also comes in the non-Pets edition. I'll show you what comes with it specifically now. We've got the instruction manual, some returns information about the guarantee. Then we've got some accessories. We've got the crevice tool. We've got the charger. We've got the shaft, I guess you'll call it, in a nice blue colour. We've got a pet hair remover tool. The regular head. And then you've got the vacuum cleaner itself. So it's all pretty simple to put together. You've got the main body of it, you've got the shaft, that inserts into there, and then you can choose one of the tools to go on the end. This one for normal vacuuming, this one for getting into smaller places and for pet hair, maybe the stairs, that kind of thing, and this one for getting into more crevice-like locations. All they do is plug on the end like so. There's a quick release button there, and there's a quick release button there, allowing you to change easily. Once you have it installed, pulling the trigger makes the brushes spin. Also beside the trigger is a continuous mode switch, which just turns it on so you don't have to hold the button down. If we have a quick look at the body of the unit itself, other than the trigger and the continuous use thing I've just shown you, on the back there's a filter you can take out to clean. Comes out with the blue tabs on either side. On the bottom you can pull out the battery by pressing this button here. That's if you have more than one battery, you can swap them out. On the bottom also you can press this button here to release the thing to empty the canister. And of course there's a button on the bottom where you can take the whole front off. It allows you to clean the filters and get rid of all that gunk that's probably going to build up over time. The charging port is on the back here of the handle. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Looks pretty smart, feels really good in the hands, it's not super heavy, and it feels really sturdy. So from a 6-hour charge, Hoover claims that their Freedom vacuum cleaner can clean for up to 20 minutes. I'm going to vacuum my house, try out all the different tools, and see if that adds up. So, in summary, after about 20 minutes of vacuuming, it was definitely losing power. It completely lost power after about 22 minutes. In that time though, I managed to completely fill the container on this vacuum cleaner in a house that had been vacuumed probably only a week ago, so that's really impressive. It's really light to carry around, much easier than your normal corded vacuum cleaner, really light, really easy to get into the nooks and crannies, under furniture, that kind of thing. Some negative points. I found that the brush on the head would stop spinning quite easily if it was up against thick piled carpet or any kind of real resistance. I also found it quite hard to push along. The wheels here are quite small, and I found that at certain angles you couldn't push it without a bit of force. And for me, it's a little bit short. I mean, I'm 6'5", so not many people are going to have this problem, but I felt like I was bending over a lot to do the vacuuming. So, having said all that, would I recommend it? Absolutely yes. If you're in the market for a budget cordless vacuum cleaner, I mean, this is available for around the £80 mark, I would highly recommend this. Obviously you can get a Dyson or a Shark, which will probably perform better, but you're looking at hundreds of pounds for one of those. Coming in at under 100, this is really a bargain. I'll put links in the description below to where you can buy this on Amazon. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I do new videos all the time reviewing home appliances, technology, that kind of thing. And if you have been, thank you for watching.